Hello, internet surfer. Carson Kressley here, your favorite style guru. There's so many questions out there in the internet world about fashion, which is my specialty. I'm going to answer your most Googled fashion conundrums. Oh, this is easy peasy. How to wear a scarf. I have one right here. Okay, scarves. If you're totally confused and really need a quick fix, just hold your scarf like this, okay? Make a loop, go like this, and then put your hand through the loop, take the excess, and voila. Why, yes, I did go to Barbizon. Of course, you can wear it a million other ways, and you can, do this, you could tie it. I like to tie and tuck, and then that looks more tailored. Trapped. Help. How to wear a fanny pack, if we must. So we have 3 different types here. We have the clear one. I don't think this is a great idea because people can see all of your stuff and they can be all up in your business and know if you have money. This is like a sporty one you could wear to the gym. For this type, I would say just wear it on the waist and not on the fanny, which in America means your butt, but in England it means your coochie. Cultural information. This you could wear one of these as a crossbody, almost. It could be cute. Make sure you look for one that has an adjustable strap so you can do that. And then this one is kind of like a nighttime. This is almost like a club one. So you can wear it right here, the true fanny pack. I like it off to the side. This one has a strap that's adjustable so you can wear it as a shoulder bag. And you can also wear it as a crossbody. God, I'm good. How to wear a beanie. I'm not gonna mess up my hair, but I'm gonna tell you several ways. The most important thing is get a beanie that actually fits your melon. I'm gonna actually sacrifice my hair for you people at home because I adore you. And basically, you wanna I like to show a little bit of hair if you can, and then I wear it back off the head, and see that little excess, smush that down, and there you go. How's my hair? Is it still okay?
It looks great.
That's why I wear wigs. One last question. Oh, that's just an old tissue.